Learn how to update and renew any surface in your space. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to match your decor with any colors you'd like, even create your own custom art. Enjoy the video. Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Hey guys, Mike here with Stone Coat Countertops. I'm with Kim. Where are you from, Kim?
Townsville, Australia.
Townsville, Australia. That's not in our backyard. You guys are a little ways away.
Just a little bit.
So you came here in person. You want to see what our art coat can do, what some of these base colors can do, and you picked these three metallics.
Absolutely.
So we're using our white base tint, our black base tint. We're using deep silver, Crater Lake blue, and real teal.
Yep.
These two are very new for our color palette, and I was afraid to start adding these kind of colors just because they're so loud, and now I'm hooked. I love them. And another thing that we've been really converted to is the heat gun, because you can get a lot of color effects easily without burning your piece, right?
Yes.
And you're a resin artist by trade. Like, this is what you've been doing.
Yes.
How long have you been doing that?
Only for about 18 months.
Wow. Now, are you selling the art, or what's your plan, or how are you doing it right now?
I do a lot of cheese boards and things that I do at markets, and trying to find a resin that I'm comfortable working with for big pieces.
Oh, cool. Okay. So all I'm doing is I'm using our art coat. Our art coat has an extended working time. It also has a massive amount of UV inhibitors in it so that it retains that color fastness. The first step is to mix the art coat for about 2 minutes using a drill. We're going to mix at a 1-to-1 ratio, and then we're going to pour that clear epoxy into our color additive cups. We're just using clear Dixie cups. Now what we're going to do is pour those different colors out in a random fashion, just like Kim's doing here. It's fun to use two separate boards like we did here and then pull them apart after we've finished our effects.
And then normally it's just either fingers or heat gun.
Kim does an amazing job using a heat gun to really heat up the epoxy, force the colors together, and get these amazing results. The extended working time of art coat really allows you to mix all your materials, get it out on your surface, and take all the time you need.
All right, I'll hold that so it doesn't burn either one of us.
That is gorgeous. Look at that, Chris.
It's so pretty.
Again, this is a great example of how you can take two separate boards, push them together, create the piece as one, and then you're ready to hang it on the wall as art, and they'll match up just perfectly. What a custom look. You know what? We got something for you, Kim. If you're ready, you're gonna like this.
What you did here.
Have you ever seen this award that we give out?
Are you done with your epoxy projects?
Yes.
You want to take your gloves off?
So this is our You Got This award. Okay, and this award is given to people who make an exceptional project, and we see it and we're just like, oh my goodness, and this definitely qualifies. This is so cool. And you were not hesitant. You just got in there, you said, I want to show more blue. And look at what the colors have done, and the lacing and the cells.
I love it.
So Kim,
beautiful.
you got this.
Thank you
Yes,
very much.
you got this.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for coming in and
Thank you for
having
having
us.
me.
Oh, we're so thrilled to work with
Barry, thanks. You got to get Barry on camera, man. Barry, thanks for coming, man. Okay, guys, you saw what Kim did. Didn't take long, did it, Kim?
No, not at all.
Catherine, you crushed it.
I was great at mixing.
We were great cheerleaders on this project,
I know.
right?
I have never sat with my hands in my pockets mentally more than
I know, like you always want to jump in,
I
but
know.
you did not need to. Like, holy
it's
cow!
So beautiful. Thank you for letting us watch and
Thank
see
you.
what you're doing. It was beautiful.
Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon. Visit us at stonecoatcountertops.com to see all the products used in this video. Go visit Kim on KML Designs on Facebook. Do it right after the video. Hey Australia, we have great news. Color Obsession in Australia is going to be stocking Stone Coat Countertop products. If you'd like to save on shipping and give Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy a shot, visit them right now at colorobsession.com.au. Thanks again.